My video is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the site Desktopdefence.online. This is a deceptive site. It attacks many browsers today, and specifically it targets Google Chrome browser. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computer, in order to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups by Desktopdefence.online claim to be related to the well-known security application, but there is no connection between these pop-ups and any decent software. Instead, as I said, such pop-ups try to mislead people and make them download some potentially unwanted software. So don't ever interact with these pop-ups, and don't even click on this allow button, because if you click on allow, your browser may be hijacked with multiple advertisements that would be popping up on your computer screen. I would recommend that you examine your computer and research it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching and investigating your system in order to detect and remove other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.